In this video, we will explain you various tips on how to get more iPhone storage, not iCloud. This saves you from having to continue to struggle with storage limitations. Part 1. How to get more storage on iPhone, not iCloud. Tip 1. Utilize alternative cloud storage. Dropbox offers a 2 GB free storage space. Google Drive offers a free 15 GB storage space. Microsoft OneDrive, 5 GB of free space is available. Cloud offers 2 GB of free storage. Tip 2. Transfer large files to computer. We can use a reliable iPhone data transfer software Mobikin Assistant for iOS to transfer these data from iPhone to computer. Assistant for iOS allows users to transfer all content on iPhone to computer or backup iPhone without iCloud. Connect your iPhone to your computer using a USB cable. Open Mobikin Assistant for iOS to detect your device. Select the file type to export, choose a destination, and click Export. Manage the transferred files as needed. Tip 3. Use an external flash drive. Can you buy more iPhone storage, not iCloud? Of course. You can make use of external flash drives to help you get more storage space on your iPhone. However, this method can be used as a last resort if there is really no other way to solve the iPhone storage full. Tip 4. Switch to a new iPhone with higher storage capacity. If budget allows, the quickest solution to address your iPhone's full storage issue and inability to delete content is to upgrade to a new iPhone with higher storage capacity. Tip 5. Free up iPhone storage. Here are some basic solutions you can try to optimize and increase your iPhone storage space.